In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly align and organize blocks in your design projects. Whether you're working on a graphic design, a presentation, or simply trying to get your blocks lined up perfectly in any software, these tips will come in handy. Let's dive in. First, when you're dealing with multiple blocks, selecting them correctly is crucial. You can do this easily by dragging across the blocks you want to align, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each block individually. Once selected, you'll notice options to align your blocks. These include aligning them to the left, right, center, top, middle, or bottom. This means, for instance, if you choose to align them to the left, all selected blocks will adjust to match the position of the leftmost block. This alignment feature enables a uniform look, which is essential in polished design work. Moving forward, think about the stacking order of your blocks, a critical element especially in overlap designs. If blocks overlap, you can easily adjust which block appears on top or below others by using the Move Forward or Move Backward icons. This simple tool gives you precise control over your design layers. Keep in mind the visual hierarchy you wish to create. It can drastically affect the interpretation and focus of your design. For a more in-depth adjustment from the front to the back, you might need to click the move icons multiple times. Sometimes this can become repetitive. So there's an even quicker method that many overlook. Using the Layers panel, this powerful feature allows you complete control over the positioning of each element without repetitive clicking. You can quickly drag items up or down the list, determining their position in the stack with ease. This function ensures you are using your time efficiently while maintaining precision in your design layout. By effectively using these alignment and stacking techniques, you can create cohesive and visually appealing projects. Remember, a neatly organized design not only looks professional, but also communicates your ideas more clearly to your audience. As you practice these skills, you'll find your efficiency improving and your designs will reach a new level of sophistication. With these insights, you'll be well prepared to tackle any project requiring block alignment with confidence and ease. So go ahead, try these techniques in your next project and watch your designs transform. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more design tips in our upcoming videos.